This coming week is a momentous milestone in the lives of all of us who have longed for something to call our own. It represents a turning point in the lives of thousands of founders, as we are on the cusp of completely changing our lives in a positive direction. This is all thanks to a man who is totally unselfish and willing to give of himself for the betterment of others who are not even his family members. Mr. Ash Mufareh is the man whom people have dragged through the mud, yet he didn't let that affect his heart. He knew that there are people just like him who do not have the means to invest in a vision like his. When it dawns on us how fortunate we are going to be, it is simply breathtaking. In the world of big business, this never happens. Someone comes up with an idea and gathers a few friends to work on it privately. Instead of keeping their great idea private, they often choose the quicker path of going public. Going public with your vision, however, can distort it. But Mr. Mufareh has taken his vision in another direction. Admittedly, there are technical things that founders in this community should not even think about, for we are not the experts. Mr. Mufareh and his technology teams are the true experts. Our role in this picture is that we are willing participants, ready to do whatever it takes legally, morally, and ethically. We strive for something that will benefit not only our immediate families, but will also stretch far beyond them. It all begins this coming week, on October the 13th. Mr. Mufareh said that we would definitely know who the premier position founders are. Once that has been established, the next step will be having exclusive links. These exclusive links are produced for the premier founders. It is truly the link of love and the link of growing. It is also the link of forgiving all who were not able to sign the application. As Chris Johnson said, those who are worthy but could not fill in the application will not be left behind, for Mr. Mufareh is not that kind of person. As we await what will transpire this week, the momentum and excitement are building. Whatever comes next week is something that has never happened in our lives before. I do not know of any other company with a business concept like Mr. Mufareh's. His business acumen has no equal, and when you look at his 30 years of experience, there is nobody who can match his resume. So founders, I hope you get a good night's rest and prepare for this most momentous part of our vision. This is the vision we adopted from our visionary, Mr. Ash Mufareh.